guys, this is the Monday event. This is called Paper Plane Cornhole. For this event, you will need a big bucket or a laundry hamper or a trash bin, something of that size with an open top. You will also need at least three pieces of paper. Before you start the event, what you are gonna do is you're gonna take your laundry hamper, and that's what I'm using in my case. Again, you use what you have. I'm using the laundry hamper. And then you're gonna measure off approximately 5 feet. However you wanna do that is fine. Just make sure you have about 5 feet away, and you're gonna mark that with something. So I'm using this green dog toy. You can use a shoe, a sock, whatever you have available is fine. Just something to mark off that 5 feet away from the bin. And then before you start the event, you're gonna take your paper and you are gonna make 3 paper airplanes. I am not gonna show you how to make these paper airplanes because I had to Google it myself, and there's probably people on the internet who can do that a lot better than I can. So if you don't know how to, you can type it into YouTube or you can Google it and find out how to do it that way. Once you've got your paper airplanes, you're gonna have, when you start the event, you're gonna have 1 minute. And you're gonna throw from behind your marker. So I'm gonna be behind the dog toy when I throw. And I'm aiming for the laundry hamper. If I hit the outside of the bin, then that is 1 point. So if my plane hits here or somewhere like that, that would be worth 1 point. If it goes into the bin, it is worth 2 points. You're gonna have 1 minute. To keep the time, if you're using an iPhone to film, you can just say 1, 2, 3, go, and then follow the time on the phone as you record. Or if you want to use something else like a timer or another phone as you film on the side, that's fine too, whatever you're comfortable with. So to help me today, my wife is going to be filming me. So I'm going to get behind my marker here, I'm going to get ready, I'm going to get my first paper airplane ready, and then when she says go, I'm going to have 1 minute to throw as many into or hitting the bin as I can.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, so I missed completely, so that's 0 points. And I'm going to throw it again. Oh, that one went in, so that's 2 points. And I hit it, so that is 1 point. So now I'm going to go pick up my airplanes, pick them all up, and I'm going to go back behind my marker to throw again. So now I'm back behind the dog toy, and I'm staying behind the dog toy as I throw. Alright, so that missed, so that's 0 points. And that hit, so that is 1 point. And I'm going to go again here. And that went in, so that is 2 points. So I got 3 points the first time, and 3 points that time, so that puts me at 6 points total. I'm going back behind the marker with all my airplanes.
10, 9,
Oh, I gotta
8,
hurry.
7, 6,
No points.
5, 4, 3, 2,
No points.
1.
Oh,
Bing,
no.
bing, bing.
All right. So again, I would have gotten 6 points for this event because I had 2 paper airplanes that hit, which gives me 2 points, and I had 2 paper airplanes that went into the bin, which would give me a total of 4 points. So 1 point for hitting the outside of the bin, 2 points for going in, and make sure you throw behind your marker. Good luck, guys.